What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, finally. God, there ain't no way it's spinning. Anyways, we at Angel Lookout 2, the cabin. I'm gonna show y'all in the background. Y'all can see, hold on. Look at y'all right. Boom, there you go. Look at that thing. I'm gonna give y'all some drone views. Get some camera views and do all that. I'm gonna walk through it now, let y'all see what's going on. Let's get it. About to walk inside. Let y'all see what's going on right here. Right there. Go on the side of it real quick. Let y'all see down here. Yeah. See the mountains up there. Yeah. Nice place, man. Nice place. Real nice place. Man, I ain't gonna show you no code. Why you talking about some?
Because I don't do video.
Oh, well, got some breakfast going over there. Yeah, got the pancake going, got the sausage, the grit, got the egg, got the bacon. Let me show you them biscuits. Hold on. Ooh, they cooking. Yep. Now the fly pay right there. I don't know what side TV that is right now. Hold on, let me show y'all. So I gotta show y'all there real quick. I've been messing with this thing. Oh, look at that right there. Ow. So what now? What you said, beat you? Beat you? I beat you. I'm gonna camera. Okay, I'm gonna go here, y'all. Anyway, yeah, that's the curtain right there, y'all. Got that guy charging. Skirt. Going downstairs. Nah, the pool told me. Get some stuff going on right here. Game room. The deck. The stairs. Well, I'm here now. I'm telling you, nah. Okay. Walk outside right here. Now a little rocket chair right there. But we got a hot tub. See if I can get the thing going back for y'all. Teach y'all something real quick. Show y'all what we got really going on right here though. Come on, man. Yes, sir. Well, I'm living up in the mountain now. Y'all remember when I was standing over there, so yeah. Anyways, take y'all back inside. Cabin beside us over there. Yep, game room right here. Pool sticks. Got a table. Got a nice little TV right here. I love these fireplaces, man. Watch it right here. Ooh, I love that right there. And y'all check them out on Facebook, man. Angels Lookout 2 cabin, Facebook. Nice little setup right here. Got the TV right there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Immo. Y'all know what's going on. Got your nice little laundry room right there. Wash and dry, you know, iron bowl, all that extra. You can see. Nah, bedroom. King side bed too.
Boost your credit scores instantly. Free. Download the Experian app now.
You got your another door right here. Oh, it's locked. Let me go outside. See that right there? Another kind of view right there. Anyways, bathroom in here. Pretty decent here, man. I love this here. Yo. I love this right here, man. So, take y'all back upstairs. There we go. Like I said, we've been planning the trip for a minute. We finally came to Smoky Mountain. It's a good trip, you know what I'm saying? You and your family. You can go on Airbnb and find your cabin for like $150, $170 a night, you know what I mean? 3, 4, 5 nights down here. Enjoy yourself. And another thing, it's so much stuff to do, you'll never do everything that's done. You have to stay out here a month to do everything. Literally, you know what I mean? Man, the cabin's so nice. This is why I'm on YouTube. This is my goal right here. Buy me a cabin. You know what I mean? Shout out to everybody who support me too, man. And I made 10,000 subscribers, y'all. So hey, I love it. Keep supporting me. Let's go upstairs. Coca. Yeah, yo, got me everything. I'm gonna take y'all back outside, man. Pretty dope out here, man. Like, you know what I mean? Got the neighbors. So, that's the end of the video, y'all. You know what I mean? Just getting y'all something. You know what I mean? I'm probably gonna zip line later on. We're gonna go to the Sky Bridge. We're gonna do all that good stuff. So, y'all stay tuned for the next video. I'm good with y'all. Thank you for supporting me.